Hello student, today my topic is relationship between Kp and Kc. Let us consider a equation like this. All reactant and product are in the gaseous phase and the reaction is in the equilibrium position. This is the stoichiometric coefficient which is written over in front of the product and reactant, in which all substance A, B, C and D are present in the gaseous state. For this reaction, Kc and Kp can be written as follows. The product are as the numerator with the stoichiometric coefficient as a power, and reactant are as a denominator. This is the equation 1. This is Kc. Now come to Kp, where the partial pressure mentioned. This is the partial pressure of C. This is the partial pressure of D, and A and B. This is the equation 2. Now, since for an ideal gas equation we have a formula PV/nRT. So if V is become denominator, the equations become like this, and now N upon V is the C, which is the molar concentration. C is the molar concentration, which is equal to N upon V. Now we have partial pressure of A is molar concentration of A RT bracket A RT. Like this we have B also, C also and D also. Now if we substituting these value in equation 2, equation 2 is what? This is equation 2. Now if we substitute that value, given value, all these values in the second equation, the equation become KPCRT DRT to the power D, ART to the power A, BRT to the power B. So Kp is C to the power C, D to the power D, A to the power A and B to the power B. RT is C plus D minus A plus B. Now this whole thing become delta N. This whole thing become delta N. Now, and this whole thing become Kc. So we have Kp is equal to Kc RT delta N. Delta N is equal to sum of the stoichiometric coefficient of product minus sum of the stoichiometric coefficient of reactant. Now homogeneous and heterogeneous equilibrium, it is of two types. Now homogeneous is what? The equilibrium in which all the reactant and the product are present in the same phase are termed as homogeneous equilibrium. For example, H2 is in the gaseous phase, I2 is also in a gaseous phase, Hi, which is the product, is also formed in a gaseous phase. Now second reaction, all the state are in the gaseous phase. These all state are in the liquid phase, the third one. Now heterogeneous, the reactant are in the solid phase, product may be solid phase or in the gaseous phase. Reactant are in the solid phase, product may be in the liquid phase. So these type of reaction which is take place more than one phase is known as heterogeneous equilibrium. Now my question is for today, what is relationship between Kp and Kc and homo and heterogeneous equilibria? Thank you.